discovering new things to love about you every day. To quote my favorite movie, that you can't guess which one, I don't want to survive, I want to live. And I am so blessed to live this life with you. We will grow old together, build our life together, and always cuddle bunnies together. I promise to support your dreams, stay faithful, care for you, and love you unconditionally through the rainy times and the dry times. I promise to listen in hard times and not forget why we chose each other in the first place. I even promise to let you choose the music in the car sometimes without complaining about what you pick. I love you, Adam. I have every moment of these last 5 years, and I will love you every moment for the years to come.
I promise to love and respect you. Not you in a trivial way, but you in the deepest sense that I can possibly fathom and work toward. I promise to facilitate your thriving and your happiness, your life, or whatever is required of me, 100%. To not only make a life worth living, but to be happy and thriving. I would never claim to be wise, but I think I have enough wisdom to know a promise of love, cooperation, and sincerity is something I can give you with everything I have. To be your husband from today and ever onward.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to, for the very first time, introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Adam and Ashley Kinne. Adam, you may kiss your bride.
Yay! We survived!
so happy and excited for you both to start this new chapter in your life. And just know that I am in your corner, cheering from the sidelines.
And Adam loves philosophy so damn much that I swear if he lived about 2,000 years ago, he'd be in a romantic gay relationship with Aristotle. But here we are in the 21st century, so Ashley's gonna have to do in place of him. Thanks for the years of fun, bro. I'm looking forward to many more with you and the new layer for your burrito.